Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a fruit yogurt. Start by gathering plain yogurt, fresh fruit, and sweetener if desired. We will walk through chopping fruit, mixing ratios, and flavoring tips so your yogurt is creamy and balanced. I will cover layering, blending, and storage so you can make single servings or a large batch with confidence and minimal fuss. Wash and prep your fruit carefully, removing peels and pits where needed and chopping into even pieces for a uniform texture. Measure yogurt and fruit to achieve your desired fruit-to-yogurt ratio, and decide whether to mash, slice, or puree fruit for chunks or smoothness. Keep flavors simple with a single fruit or mix two types, and taste as you go to adjust. Start by adding a small portion of fruit to test texture, then gently fold the rest to avoid breaking down yogurt structure. Add a splash of lemon juice, a dash of vanilla, or a pinch of cinnamon to brighten flavors without overpowering fruit. For smooth preparations, use a blender briefly, while for parfaits, keep fruit chunky and layer with granola for contrast and crunch to make each spoonful interesting and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.